Oh my gosh, 50% off! Yung mga 3-in-1 nilang mga stuff. This is so exciting! Sagot ko ang shopping spree mo! Oh, show mama! Thank you!
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape.
Sakay kay Dada. Tawa-tawa, oh. Hi, she's welcome back to the vlog. Today we are here at Baby Company for their baby and kids sale. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga sale items nila. Tara. First stop is the diapers. We're gonna check out kung ano yung mga sale items nila. So, mom, she's right here. I'm showing the Super Friend by Groon. It's a buy two, save 150 pesos on this brand. I'm just doing a voice over kasi sobrang maingay sa area na yon, and I wasn't able to turn on the mic for this. And for the Mommy Poco Extra Soft, they have buy one get 50% off on the next item. And for Huggies naman, they have buy two save 100 pesos on their dry pants, and this is the one that I got for River kasi I like dry pants. And meron din silang for herding purposes yung isang Huggies nila, which is nakakatuwa, Ultra Pants. Buy 3 and you save 400 pesos on this one. So if this is your usual brand, it's time to buy now kasi it's on sale. Guys, we found this Nuvi snack holder. Nakakatuwa, new discovery ni Dada. So ilalagay mo dito yung snacks niya. Tapos, pwede siyang kumuha, di ba? Pwede niyang kunin yung snack. Pero yung natira, hindi niya na kayang ikalat. So, this is so smart. Thank you, Nubi. And by the way, all Nubi products are at 20% discount here at Baby Company. Them out at any SM and Baby Company stores. Check it out. Winner to that winner. It's only 199.75 plus less 20% pa siya. So let's put it in the cart. I want to show you these Nubi items. This one is parang nose Frida, but it's done by Nubi. Maganda to pag newborn yung baby nyo and may sipon siya, wala naman siyang gamot na pwedeng gamitin. So ito yung hihigupin mo. Hihigupin mo siya from one end para ma-relieve yung sipon ni baby. 20% discount din yung kanilang mga all-in diaper bags. This is so cute yung design nila. So from 2,199.75, it's less 20% off yan. So more or less mga 1.8 na lang to. And this is nice for kung gusto mo na bangka yung diaper bag mo. Isa ito po magandang design yung nakita ko. Actually, so nice. And parang bet ko tong blue color. Diba? Mas cute tong blue. And parang mas smooth siya. And tingnan nyo guys. What do you guys think? $695 isang pack na siya. Lagi namin itong binibili. Kasi good for traveling, and then nandun na, may bath and wash na siya and may lotion siyang kasama. So, sulit. Lagay na natin sa cart, Dad. So, this is one of the products na at 50% off, which is a good set for a newborn baby. And it's so cute. Meron na siyang kasamang comforter, pillows, and yung mga sandayan niya. So, for a guy or for a boy or a baby girl, this is perfect. So dito rin sa mga clothes sections ni baby, dito usually ako namimili ng mga pangbahay ni River and pangregalo din. So as you can see, as much as, oh my gosh, 50% off! Yung mga food, nilang mga stuff. Kailangan na mag-stock ang munchies. This is the best time to buy items like this during the sale. Guys, so and Bebe is at 50% off din dito sa kids and baby sale. So, check them out. We love Bebe So. Kasi sobrang soft ng tela nila. And thank you so much, Baby So. And for sending us stuff for River before. We love them so much. And super sulit. So, this pair right here is only 200 pesos. Yan. And this one is 195 pesos only. So cute, diba? Yung design. So, ayun. We're back now at home sa bahay at papakita ko lang sa inyo very light ang nabili ko dito sa Babies and Kids 50% sale from Baby Company and SM Stores. So, bago pa kunin ni River ang aking camera, kailangan tapusin na natin tong haul na to. Yes! Why? Why are you crying? Tingnan mo siya, gusto niyang laruin yung camera. Hi! You wanna say something? Did you have a good nap? Ayaw niyang gamitin ko yung toys niya as tripod. Ginagamit ko kasi ito as tripod. So, anyways, I think I'm just gonna hold you guys' hand kasi inaagaw kayo na River. But I'm gonna show you very light yung mga naging, I'm gonna do a little haul kung ano yung nabili ko sa sale today. And here they are. First off is the Huggies Dry Pants. These Huggies Dry Pants are buy 2 save 100 pesos, and I've always been wanting to try it out, so I'm gonna try it out now. And this is ano na rin, 46 pieces per pack, and gusto ko na rin siya, okay na rin siya for his price na 865 pesos. I think worth it na rin siya. Check this out muna kung okay ba si River dito. So we are in the size large kasi si River is around 11 kilograms right now. So, ayun. Gusto ko kasi pants. Ayoko nung may mga sticker pa. So, ito lang yung pants na on sale. So, ito na yung nakuha ko. Ayan. And the next item I want to show you is, let me just put you here. Habang ang bata ay busy. Ayun na. Dala niya na. Oh, show mama. Thank you. You're so sweet. Kiss, mama. Kiss. Oh, open natin. Mag-haul tayo, anak. Sali ka. You show what we bought in SM. Let's open. Wow, what's inside? So we got this soft baby potty seat. Do you like it? You didn't like it? I know we just bought diapers, pero we wanted to start River on his potty training, and this is 329.75. It's not part of the sale, pero we really need one. So ito yung ikakabit mo lang mismo sa kanyang adult toilet, and para masanay na siya na doon. Oh, you can have this, anak. Yeah, have this. Yay! Ayaw. Okay. Sobrang konti lang ang nabili namin. Next item that I bought is pang ano talaga. Ito yung laging ginagamit, laging nauubusan. This is the Cetaphil set na 695. Lagi ko itong binibili. Not sponsored by Cetaphil, pero I just love them. I love the smell. Lalo na nitong baby bath, moisturizing bath and wash. Kasi may pagka-aloe vera siya, and you know, I love aloe vera. And also yung pabango niya na lotion. It's really good, and they also have the shampoo and yung travel size pocket. So, in case na mag-travel kami, very, very nice ito. So, the second item on my haul. And the third, not the last, the third and last item that I want to show you is this Newbie Snack Keeper. Pinakita ko ito sa kanina sa ating vlog. And we're so excited to use this. So, ngayon we're gonna use it on River. We'll see if effective ba talaga siya. Kasi talagang makalat na si River nowadays. Talagang kukuha siya ng stuff from the bowl and itatapon niya. So, hopefully, with the use of this, na hindi lalabas yung snacks, will be a little bit neater sa bahay. So, this is only for 199.75, and this is at 20% discount. So, ang total damage for today's shopping is 2,050 pesos. Ayun, nakasave kami dun sa buy 2 save 100 and doon sa 20% discount
na snack keeper. And last but not least, I want to announce on this video that I'm going to give away a shopping spree to one of you guys who is watching this right now. So if you want to join, I'm gonna give out a 1,000 pesos worth of Sodexo gift card to one lucky winner. So I'm gonna put the mechanics down below para sagot ko ang shopping spree mo. So thank you ko po sa inyo for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. At ngayon tayo ay naging 10K family na. And maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana mag-join kayo. And yun lang. Lagi na lang kayo mag-abang sa mga videos. And make sure that you follow BB Company PH to be updated on all the latest sales happening nationwide. And make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!